Yo, what's up guys? B-Boy LMD here. You guys still watching Respeto, Kagulong, and in today's episode, we're gonna have another helmet unboxing featuring Mookem helmets. Wow! Alright, so this is a Mookem helmet Clash in the City. Mookem helmets is a Thailand-made helmets. When it comes to quality, maasahan talaga when it comes to Thailand. So ngayon, tingnan naman natin kung ano ang laman ng box na to. We got an extra visor, and this is for half-face helmet. And let's get the helmet itself. As usual, nakabalot din siya ng helmet bag. Nakalagay yung logo ng Mookem helmet. Let's check it out. Wow! Alright, so we got a half-face helmet here. Combination ng gray, white, red. Sa mga kagulong natin na fan ng half-face helmet, I guess this one is for you. Sa stock visor natin, clear visor tayo as usual. And this is also dual visor. Iaangat natin siya para bumaba yung dual visor. Yan. May pagka-gray siya, no? Medyo brownish yung kulay niya. Meron din lock yung ating dual visor. Sagad lang natin siya dito. Once na marinig na natin yung clicking sound na yun, that's the indication na nakalock na ang dual visor ng ating helmet. And there's the clicking sound. Let's see how beautiful it is. And meron din siyang spoiler dito. No? Meron din siyang air passage dito sa likod. Nakakatulong yan sa pagpapalamig ng ulo natin sa mainit na biyahe. Maganda rin yung pagkaka-design nila dito sa top. Accredited siya ng DOT. Meron siya dito mga certification. So, isa to sa mga indication na nagsasabi na dumaan talaga sa quality check itong helmet ni Mookem. This is still sporty looking, no? Na pwede natin gamitin pang araw-araw. Check natin yung loob ng helmet. Makapal yung foam niya, no? Makapal siya at malambot. Kagandahan nito is hindi mapapares ng husto yung mukha natin. Maganda rin yung design dito sa baba. This is the lock. Pretty high quality. Yan. Typical na lock na nakikita natin sa mga other helmet brands na kilala. So this time, check naman natin yung extra visor. I guess this is iridium. Then para tanggalin natin, pupull lang natin to and then tatanggalin natin yung lens. Ayan. So yan. Ito na yung clear. Ito nga pala itsura niya pag nakatanggal yung lens natin. Yan. So, dito natin kakabit. Tala naman natin siyang ikabit. Tamang pwestuhan lang yung kailangan natin dito. Yun. Naikabit agad yung una. Let's go for the second one. Oh, there it is. Parang mas madali siya ikabit. For us to be able to make sure na ayos talaga nakakabit, galaw natin yung visor. Yun. Check lang din natin kung wala bang uwang dito sa pagitan ng helmet natin at saka ng visor. Kasi doon natin makikita na hindi talaga siya nakalapat. Kasi pag meron ditong uwang, yan, probably dyan papasok yung tubig. And at the same time is, pwede rin siya pasukan ng hangin. Ito na, naikabit na natin siya. Simple as that. And one of the satisfying part is, let's remove this cover. Wow! There you go. Check this one out. O, diba? Kung nagandahan na kayo nung naka-clear lens pa yung helmet natin. Well, ito, mas gumanda pa siya lalo, diba? Subukan natin yung suot. There you go. See? Siyempre, nasa sarili na lang din nating preference kung ano yung trip nating design. And I'm actually enjoying it. And this is the secondary visor. There you go. Parang saktong-sakto lang siya sa ilong natin. No? We could use this as a motovlogging helmet, I guess. Maybe we could just find a way how we could do it. Ginagawa mo! Alright, so ano masasabi nyo dito sa Mookem helmet Clash in the City? Well, for me, I could use this on a daily basis, even sa mga special occasion, given na napakaganda naman ang design niya talaga. From the looks itself, this is a very competitive helmet, very competitive quality, with a very competitive price of 2,450 pesos. Can you imagine, in just 2,450 pesos, magkakaroon ka na ng napakagandang half-face helmet from Mookem with a very good quality. So mga kagulong natin na hindi naman masyadong meticuloso pagdating sa mga helmet brands or sa name na helmet na susuotin nila. And at the same time, not willing to pay that much for a helmet. Presyo, quality, looks ang pag-uusapan. You might wanna consider Mookem helmet Clash in the City. Thank you so much, Ma'am Irene and Sir Alvin ng Mookem Helmet Caloocan. And thank you so much, Mookem Helmet Philippines. Like and follow nyo lang ang kanilang Facebook page, and at the same time, ang Facebook page ng Respeto Kagulong. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell. Maraming salamat sa panonood. B-Boy LMD here. You guys are watching Respeto Kagulong. Always remember to be safe always and enjoy every ride. Bye for now, and I'll see you guys on the next one.